So today I'm going to show you how to do Moxibustion that has either pain or an acupuncture point, which would be recommended by your acupuncturist. So today I'm going to be doing Moxibustion on Meredith, and she is having some elbow pain today. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the Moxa stick, and this is actually charcoal with the mugwort herb embedded in it. So what you need to do before you even start is you need to get yourself a nice bowl, and then you can put some salt or some sand or something in here. We can actually hold the Moxa stick, and you can also use this to tip off the ashes as you're doing the Moxa. So be very careful and not burn yourself either with the Moxa stick. We're doing indirect Moxa, which is actually above the skin about 1 inch to 2 inches. Direct Moxa is when you contact the skin, and we're not doing that, so please be careful to not contact the skin. So you have your bowl, you have your sand or salt, you have your lighter, and you have a candle, because you need to have a heat source. So you have your Moxa stick, light your candle. Okay. Light your candle. And then you hold your Moxa stick above the flame. And this takes a little while. It can take about a minute or so to get warm, so don't worry if it's not getting hot right away. So after you warm this for about a minute, you want to check. So go about 1 inch above, and you'll feel heat when it's activated. And then knock off any ashes before you start. So what you can do, and you can do this yourself, you don't have to have somebody else do it for you, especially for an area like this. Obviously for the back, you will need somebody to help you. So what you want to do is you want to put your fingers around the area that you're going to be doing the Moxa on, because you want to be able to feel the heat as well, because you do not want to do too much heat. The area will get a little bit red after a while, but it shouldn't be too hot, and you're going to ask whoever you're doing your Moxa on to communicate to you that the heat of the Moxa stick on your skin. So all you do is simply go above the area about 1 inch or 2 inches, depending on how hot it is, and it will take a while to feel the heat initially. So in the beginning, you might be able to be 1 inch above, but maybe after about 3 minutes, you might want to be about 2 inches above. So just do the Moxa for at least 5 minutes, 10 minutes if you like. 15 minutes is probably, I would say, the maximum that you would do the Moxa. And you can just go right over the area. Remember, be careful to knock the ashes off. And you can just go back. And then when you're finished, after 5 to 10 minutes, you simply put your Moxa stick into the bowl. Oh, don't forget to extinguish your candle. And be careful to keep this out of the reach of children and pets, because your Moxa stick will remain hot. Think of it as an incense stick, but a very large one. So be sure that you have it extinguished. Allow several hours out of reach of children and pets, and be careful not to burn yourself. And that is it for today. Thank you.